Hi, I'm Kat.
I'm Brent, and we're
Labs, Twins, and Company. Yay, hi everybody.
We're just doing a new video today. Every Friday we're going to try to release a video, and we're going to kind of give you a gist of what we do, or what we're doing in this video.
And today we're going to show you physical therapy, our hearing test, our daily walks at the park. We're swinging the boys in the backyard, and at the end, some cuteness overload.
Yeah, well, with the physical therapy in this, we're going to explain that we do have to have them have some feet braces. They're not permanent, but they are to help. They got daddy's flat feet, so...
Unfortunately.
My bad. So because of that, you'll see the babies with feet braces on and stuff like that. We do have like a montage thing like we did kind of last video, but we're going to try to talk a little bit more during the videos because it's a little more user retention, and you guys can kind of get an idea of what's going on instead of just seeing everything that's going on. So
yes, because we have a lot going on.
With the physical therapy, we'll kind of let the montage play, and then when we come up to the hearing test, we'll put a little bit of voicing in the background to kind of explain what happened, because we weren't allowed to actually film separately. We had one parent per kid, so we ended up having to actually change it up, and we couldn't film because we both had a baby.
Yeah, we didn't have anybody to film us.
So
maybe in the future we can hire somebody to actually be our cameraman, but for right now we're doing the best we can.
We're the camera people. That's gender neutral.
Yeah. And if you like our video, like the video for us, subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications and new videos. And remember to play in the dirt.
She thinks that's salt, but it's dirt sprinkling on the
Maybe
babies.
Dirt throws the dirt.
I don't know.
No, just play in the dirt. Yeah, have fun.
We'll do that.
Thank you. So here we are, we're walking up to UTMB to get the boys' hearing checked. They each need a hearing test before we can go forward with speech therapy. We need to make sure that they're not hearing out of a fishbowl. Each of us could not film while we were doing the hearing test because each of us had a baby. I had Asher, Brent had Dakota. We were nervous, but it actually went really well. They passed with flying colors. They hear great and start speech therapy this coming Wednesday. Hi, Asher.
Oh, Daddy's out of breath.
Hi, Dakota. Dad need to work out. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Yay, Bubba. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Yay. Shake it, baby. Daddy. Yay, Bubba. What are you doing? What are you doing? Big Bird! Oh! Big Bird! That's my Big Bird! Well, that's my friend. Oh! That's my friend. Yeah, Big Bird, kiss